What's up everybody, it's Brandon Cook here, and guess what? I have a video for you, the best export settings for Instagram for 2019. And yes, I have picture demonstrations to show you. I even made a test account on Instagram. It's Brandon Test Account 2018, and you can see the photos and see the test export settings of each photo so that you can get the ideal export settings for your photos. So I did a photo shoot of this beautiful woman named Amber and her little puppy. Fantastic. Okay, so I did the photo shoot. I shot these photos with a 1DX Mark II with also a 70 to 200 millimeter lens at f2.8. Also, I shot with a 16 to 35 millimeter lens on this DSLR camera. So for those that are taking photography with their iPhone or a mobile device, this doesn't so much apply to you necessarily because you may not be editing in Lightroom on your desktop, but it more so applies to those that are shooting with a DSLR, shooting in RAW or a large JPEG format that need to edit and get their best quality that they can when they export. But if you do shoot from an iPhone, you can still use this device if you edit your photos in Lightroom. Yeah. So I'm gonna bring you guys over to my computer so you can see exactly what I did. I'm not gonna try to make this crazy long, but basically this is what I did. Okay, as you can see, here's a photo of Amber and her little dog. Adorable. This was shot at f2.8. There, as you can see, ISO is 400. So, Instagram, as you can see, it says aspect ratio of 4:5. So you click that, boom, there's your photo, okay? Then after you're doing your editing, blah, 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 if you're interested in me to make an editing video, I totally can. So now we're gonna go, as you saw, over to File, Export. Then you set a path, okay? So as you can see, Documents, okay? I made an Instagram folder, Lightroom Exports, because this is for the test, okay? So let's go down here and see what we got. Color space is sRGB. I also did one in Pro Photo. It didn't make much of a difference. The quality right now is at 76, okay? Resolution is at 72 dots per inch. We're not printing, but I've noticed that it does make a difference in the file size. So if I did resolution 300 dots per inch, the file size is huge, okay? So we're at long edge because the width, okay, 1080 pixels, okay? Resolution 72, alrighty. Then you click export, boom, and there you go. Also did another one of the same exact thing. Instead of doing 4:5, I just did original, and then file, export, okay, 100%, sRGB, long edge again, 1080, okay, 72 pixels per inch, boom, all right, okay. Photoshop the same way. Couple options. If you want the huge file size, File, Save As. Then you find a folder and you save it there. Boom. I did File, Export, Save for Web. Okay. File, Export, Save for Web. No, you don't want to save it as a GIF. I honestly don't know why that says GIF there because it's not going to end up being a GIF. But you go up here, mess around, go up there, go to JPEG. Boom, optimize. Don't mind that because literally, if I go to preview here, it'll show you. You'll see it says JPEG. Okay, and look how huge it is though. It's definitely not a couple of kilobytes. But okay, so convert the color space sRGB, quality 76. I even did quality at 80 and quality 100. If you look on the test Instagram page, you will see the difference. If there's not much of any, to be honest. Okay, I even went down here and changed the width to 1080, okay, just for you guys, and brought that down to 720 pixels, okay. So then I saved that, all right, and I did one of just the regular file size. I did one of the width is 1080, and I did one of different qualities. So you guys go to my Instagram, go to my test Instagram, and look at the quality differences yourself, and you will see best quality. I did File, Export 100% quality, File, Export 76% quality, File, Export 80% quality at 1080 pixels. Also, the workflow is once exported, I send them onto my Dropbox account. I have Dropbox, the app, on my phone, and I save it onto my phone, right? And then I upload it onto Instagram. Also, I kind of noticed with the horizontal photos that even if it's at 4:5 or original, 100% quality, 76% quality, it didn't matter. They all look great. So I think some of these factors come down to the quality of the photos you're taking. If the lighting is good, so your highlights won't be blown out and your shadows too dark and things of that nature. Just try to have an even exposure when editing your photos. So then when it comes to sharpening and post-production, your photos look good quality as you want them to in general. Even saving as pro photo and uploading it on Instagram, I did not notice a major quality difference. Now, obviously, sRGB is for web. That's a color space for web. But even with Pro Photo, sRGB for a horizontal photo, the image quality still looks good on Instagram. I want you guys to check out this test page that I made and tell me if you see a major difference between the quality on Instagram. Now also keep in mind this is not for print, right? So you don't want to have something crazy that's 300 dots per inch, so make your file size huge and take forever to upload and cause the compression and things of that nature. So when it comes down to it, these are the settings through Lightroom and Photoshop that I notice is ideal. I did notice some inconsistencies on Instagram when it came to vertical and horizontal photos. You could be 76 quality, 100% quality. You could do save, it's pro photo. When these are like horizontal photos. But when it comes to vertical, it seems like the settings mattered even more. So quality at 76, 80, or 100. Okay, it's up to you. Only differences will be the file size that I'm noticing here. Not so much Instagram's compression. 1080 width, do not enlarge, save, Dropbox, upload, you're good. All right, you guys, I hope this makes sense. Again, any questions or concerns, comment below. I hope this helped out you guys because this took me a long time. Like, I was just doing some testing and things of that nature, but also some key factors make a difference in your photos. Your lighting makes a difference. Your exposure makes a difference. Your location makes a difference. Your subject makes a difference. The people that are talking about like best quality photos for Instagram, they're taking pictures of plants and trees, but it doesn't look the same when it comes to people sometimes. So make sure your sharpness is up to par. Just all these things that make a good photo happen. Just do it ahead of time, make a test account, and you should be good. I hope you guys like this. Check out the test account and tell me what you guys think. If you're interested in how to upload your photos from your computer to Instagram, I got you in the next video. My Instagram is Mulatto Lee. My photography account is Mulatto Lee _photography, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.